Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Come here. We got the Honda accordions, and they not playing today. They said we gonna get straight to the point. We gonna act a fool. We gonna be diabolicans like we love to be, but we gonna do it in an unusual vehicle, a Honda Accord. I know. I would never expect somebody to be in a Honda Accord trying to run from the police. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Honda accordions down? Or would the Honda accordions make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Straight to it. Yabba dabba doo. Hold on, what kind of car is that? A Honda Accord? Is it a Honda Accord? Or Honda Civic? I know it's a Honda because I see the Honda sign. Man, that's crazy. He ain't a fool in a Honda Accord. Them Honda Accords ain't that fast, is they? Maybe I'm wrong. It might be pretty fast. I just never known one to be that fast. Maybe he got it tuned. It don't look like it. Oh, he acting a fool. He in a construction site? Oh, he playing no games. Running from the police in a traffic jam is nasty work. Road closed. Oh. He tripping. He on the road closed? Oh yeah, he ain't playing no games. Treacherous activities. Body on earth, foot in hell. He took the Honda Accord off-road. Have you ever seen a Honda Accord off-road? Here it is right here. If you was wondering if your Honda Accord could go off-road, he's showing you. Oh, they got him. He got him. He's over with. Oh, he pulled out of that? How did he do that? Okay, we got a real nasty one right here. We got us a real nasty man right here. How did he pull that off? This officer is horrible. He horrible. He good trash. He Gorbatross. How did he get past all those police officers? How did he do that? I said, oh, there's only two of them. Kia Stinger. Where'd he go? Oh, he might be out of there, y'all. If he don't get away, he garbage. If he don't get away, he trash. Where'd he go? Oh, he out of there. He gone like the wind. I don't know where he could go though. It's a traffic jam. Where could he go, y'all? Because if he keep going straight, he'd be on the wrong side of the road. That's way riskier than, I don't know. When you gotta run, you gotta run. Is that him? He tried to blend in with the traffic. Oh, he got past the cop again. Oh, he nice. He nice with it. But you trying to run from the police in a traffic jam got to be the dumbest thing of all time. What is he doing? You just went that way, doofus. You just went this way. What are you doing? He got to be young and dumb, full of fun. You just went this way, goofball. Francisco, I got it. Let me drive. Took you right back to the same spot you was at. How dumb can you get? Oh, he taking a pitch like it's nothing, though. He driving that thing. Come on, cop. This your second time doing the same maneuver. Getting stuck again. You garbage. Look at this guy. Oh, he's stuck, y'all. That's what you get. You went the wrong way twice. Put your hands up, convict. Would I be wrong if I said usual suspect? We gotta stop this, y'all. Look at him. A diabolic. Lay down, man. Lay down, offender.
What is wrong with you, man?
Look at him, y'all. Come on, man. Poindexter. Me in the comments. Nasty, nasty, nasty work running from the police in a traffic jam? Come on, man. Why would you run from the police in a traffic jam? It's nowhere to go, baby. This is one of those times where you got to chalk it up and just take the ticket. Take the ticket, young man. That's how you know when they say young and dumb. That's why you know he's young and dumb, because anybody with a brain would have said, this is a traffic jam. The chances of me getting away from the police is slim to none. It's just that you gotta. What's his probability of getting away from the police is probably like a 10% out of 100%. And then on top of that, he drives all the way to the construction site just to have to turn around. I mean, it said road closed. So what? I don't know. When you young, man, you just don't care. You be on 100% diabolicism. It's a disease. In case y'all didn't know, being a diabolican is a disease. It can be cured, though. It can be cured. But the only way you can cure it is to stop hanging around negative Neds and negative Nancys. How many times do I have to state, if you hanging around negative Neds and negative Nancys, you gonna end up becoming a diabolican. It's just no way around it. A demon can't hang out with angels and think you ain't gonna change them angels into demons. But angels can hang out with demons, and they never gonna change that demon to an angel. It don't work that way. Negativity seems to be a little bit stronger than positivity. But yeah, man, homeboy gets to escaping. He gets out of the situation, which is cool, you know. My thing is, I would have just kept on going down the road the wrong way. That's his best chance was to get away was to just keep going down the wrong way until you seen an opening at an exit, because I'm pretty sure it's exits down there. If he would have just kept going, because see right here, the cop is chasing him, but the cop don't know he didn't turn off. I would have stayed on the side of the road right here, and I would have rolled all the way down till I got to an exit where I can get off, and I'd have got busy. That's what I would have did. Not saying I condone running from the police, but what I'm saying is I would have just kept on going the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way. You gonna have to, whoever in the lane, you got to look at him. He tried to blend in. That's nasty work. I don't know how he got his car turned around fast enough to blend in. But yeah, that's what I would have did, man. And then on top of that, you go back the same way you just came. What were you thinking? At least get into traffic and try to make it through the little ways. People gonna get out your way anyway because they see the sirens behind you. They gonna get out your way anyway. I mean, he just was young. But with that being said, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this little diabolican out here running, acting a bona fide fool, super foolacious. That boy going off that do it fluid. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this chase. My man was just, he was young and dumb. Why would you go the same exact way you just went? You know it's a dead end that way. And even if you go that way, at least jump out of the car and run. This your best chance right here. I would have jumped out the car right here. I'm going full on footy. I'm going full on footy. You're going to have to catch me. You're going to have to show me that you a track star, because I'm finna show you that I am. That's what I would have did. But I'm not condoning police chasing. I don't condone running from the police. I don't do that. But with that being said, let me give y'all some positivity. You do not have to follow stupidity. You don't have to be a nincompoop in life. You can be a smart person and make smart decisions and be a real life leader. The world needs leaders, not followers. We need people that can think for themselves and not make bonehead decisions. See, this guy right here made a bonehead decision because he wasn't a natural born leader. Common sense. We got to start using common sense. We got to focus on life. Life is too short to be willing to give up your life for a little bit of fun, a little bit of dumminess, a little dumb is what I call it. Some people call it fun. I call it dumb. A little bit of dumb can ruin your life. Don't let somebody ruin your life because you're being a follower, is what I'm trying to say. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the police. That's something we do not condone. Absolutely not. But if you are going to be running from the police, because some of y'all seem to be young diabolicans and you can't stop making bonehead decisions. If you do decide to run from the police, because we do not condone it, absolutely not. But if you do, can you please, and this is for the dummies in the back, the Franciscos, can you please remember which way you went so you don't make the same mistake twice?